Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, my name is Raffi Abdullah from BSI University from the Information System Study Program from class 19.1A.21 with name 1924-2031. In this video, I will give a video about my opinion about smoking in the campus area. So, in my opinion, smoking is not permitted in the campus environment because it can have a negative impact on smoker and the other students. Because cigarette smoke can harm health of passive smokers themselves and students around them. Apart from that, smoking can disturb comfort and the cleanliness of the environment, such as smoke and unpleasant odors, and cigarette ash, which can pollute the surrounding environment. This can certainly disrupt learning activities on campus. Therefore, I do not agree if smoking in the campus area is legalized by the university. That's all for me. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Thank you very much.
Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Raffi Abdullah from BSI University. I'm from Prodi Information System, and um, my number is 1924-2031. I'm from class 19.1A.21. So in this video, I will give explanation about simple present tense. Okay, let's go. Introduction. What is simple present tense? Simple present tense is a form of tense that is used to express events that occur regularly, routinely, or are usually carried out in the present that shows habitual or frequent action or fact. So basically, simple present tense is using from for express fact events or activities that occurring routinely or repeatedly. Jadi eh, bentuk kata kerja yang digunakan untuk menyatakan fakta atau kejadian rutin atau berulang kali. Oke, next. Definition. The simple present is a verb tense with two main use. We use the simple present tense when an action is happening right now or when it happens regularly or unceasingly, which is why it's sometimes called present indefinite. So, a form of verb in English used to express fact or routine habits. Jadi, digunakan untuk dua kejadian utama yaitu untuk kejadian terjadi sekarang dan yang sering terjadi. Oke, next. What is the simple present tense used for? Uh, the first is describe daily habits atau untuk menggambarkan kebiasaan sehari-hari. To state a scientific facts or general truth. Jadi untuk menyatakan fakta ilmiah atau kebenaran umum. Three, show a fixed schedule or routine. Jadi untuk menyatakan jadwal harian atau ya jadwal rutinitas yang sudah fix. Oke, next. Struktur. First is object plus verb plus object or the rest of the sentence. So for the third person, sorry, for the first person is using I, you, they, we for the subject. Then verb using verb one, object or complement. For example, I plus go plus to school. Then for the third person is using he, she, it. The verb using verb one plus s plus as. Then for the example, using he plus goes plus to plus school. Okay, next. Type of sentence. Tipe kalimatnya ada positive subject plus positive is subject plus verb s or as plus object. Okay, next. Negative using subject do or does plus not plus verb plus object. Next. Interrogative using do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus ask. Then WH question using WH plus do or does plus subject plus verb plus object plus ask. Then example of positive sentence. She reads a book before bedtime. We play soccer on weekends. They watch movies together. He listens to music during work. I ride the horse in the summer. She has black hair. Sorry. Okay, next. Example of negative sentence. He does not have a TV. They don't have any money. Susan doesn't see Peter in the class. My best friend doesn't love you. You don't listen to me. California is not in United Kingdom. Okay, next. Example of interrogative question. Does she bring that book? Do they play tennis? Is the food delicious? Does she go to school every day? Do cats sleep a lot? Next, examples of WH question. Why teach what who teach your English class? Where does he lunch? Why does he study so hard? When do they usually study math? What lesson do you like? How do she cook every day? Next, verbal simple present. The ending s or as on verbs is only used on the subjects he, she, and it. There are rules for adding the ending s or s. The way to find out which word use the ending s and as is verb ending in the letter y and the letter before y. Is a vowel, then add s to the verb. Next. Verbal simple present. Study becomes studies. Example sentence. Budi studies so hard for national examination. Then try become tries. For example, tiger tries to eat deer. Next. For verbs that end in the letters O, C, H, S, H, X, and C, A, S is added to the end of the verb. For example, watch become watch. Example sentence, he watched TV after working. Then to determine when to use do and when to use does is do is used in the subject I, you, they, we, when does is used in the subject he, she, it. Adverb of frequency. Jadi adverb itu kata keterangan untuk memberikan informasi tambahan di akhir kalimat biasanya. Or yeah, just like that. Most common adverb of frequency: always, always, usually, often, frequently, sometimes, occasionally, rarely, seldom, hardly ever, never. This goes from the most frequent, always, 100% of the time, to the last frequent, never, 10% of the time. Okay, next. Adverbs of frequency. Where to put a verb of frequency in a sentence? Adverbs of frequency typically go before the main verb in a affirmative sentence or question. For example, she always arrive early. Do you usually work on Fridays? But if your main verb is to be, the adverb of the frequency goes after the verb. For example, my house is always cold in the winter. Okay, next. Difference between simple present and present continuous. Present simple is used to describe routine action, habits, or general fact that's applied at the moment. Usually, this tense is used to express things that happen regularly or always true, while present continuous is used to describe actions that are taking place at the time of speaking or in the current time period. This tense is also used to refer to temporary situation or changes that are occurring. Eh, jadi present simple itu kayak kebiasaan or fakta, while present continuous is for tindakan yang saat berlangsung, yang sedang berlangsung atau situasi sementara. Oke, next. Practice. Number one, he blah 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 a lot of water. The answer is B, drinks. Number two, she blah 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 her room every Saturday. The answer is B, cleans. Number three, he blah 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 his friends after school. The answer is B, meets. Number four, they blah 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 their homework in the library. Uh, the answer is does. Okay, next conclusion. The simple present is used to express events that occur in general, habits, facts, or situations that are true at this time. The simple present tense is often used to describe daily routines or statements that are always true. For example, he goes to school by bicycle. Okay, reference. I take all these reference from simple present tense reference from Detik Edu, http www.detik.com, and the practice resource reference is from http www.englishnesia.id. Okay, maybe that's all for me. Thank you very much. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.